Hello dear students, I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade. Welcome to your favorite channel, PVN Science Study.
Hello dear students, in this video we will see plants of economic importance of Fabaceae family. Dear students, Fabaceae family is very important. Many members of Fabaceae family are economically important. This is the first plant that we are going to study for economic importance. You might have noticed that this is the garden pea plant. Botanical name of this plant is Phaeacum sativum. This is garden pea plant. These are the flowers. Here you can see fruit of the plant. Fruit are in form of legume. This fruit contains seeds. So these are the seeds of the plant. These seeds are rich in vitamins and these seeds are also used as vegetable. In Marathi, what we called it as Watana. Then this is the next plant. This is Phaseolus vulgaris, commonly known as French bean. The plant is climber. So here you can see the plant. These are the leaves of the plant and these are the flowers of the plant. By observing flower, now you can understand that this corolla is papilionaceous corolla. Then this is fruit in form of legume. The fruits are used as vegetable. Then this is also very important plant. Dear students, you might have eaten these seeds because these are very common in our food. The name of plant is Phaseolus radiatus or Vigna radiata. In Marathi, what we called it as moog, or Hindi it is called as moong. So this is plant of Phaseolus radiatus. These are the leaves of the plant and these are the fruits in form of legume which produce seeds. These seeds are rich in proteins and are edible. Then this is next plant. It is also a part of our diet. Botanical name of the plant is Vigna mungu. In Marathi, what we called it as udit. In English, it is commonly known as black gram because seeds are blackish. This is the actual plant. These are fruit in form of legumes which produce seeds which are also rich in proteins and are edible. This is the next plant. This is also part of our diet. You might have seen this. This is Masoor. The plant which produces this has botanical name Lens esculenta. So this is actual photograph of the plant. These are the leaves and the flowers. The seeds produced are rich in proteins and are edible. Then this is very common and economically important plant. You might have identified this plant. This is pigeon pea or tur in Marathi. Botanical name of the plant is Cajanus cajan. This is the actual photograph of the plant. These are the flowers of the plant with typical papilionaceous corolla. These are the fruits in form of legume. And these are the seeds of tur. And this is the pulse of tur which is used in our daily diet for preparation of varan or dal. The seeds are rich in proteins and are edible. Then this is also a very common plant. You might have noticed that this is chana or harbara in Marathi. In English it is known as gram. Botanical name of the plant is Caesar eritinum. So this is actual photograph of the plant. These are the flowers and this is the fruit which produce seeds. The seeds are rich in proteins, edible. This is the next plant which is also familiar to you. This is wal in Marathi and English it is known as bean. Botanical name of the plant is Dolichos labellum. So this is the plant which produce the fruits. The fruits are used as vegetable and these are the seeds which are present inside the legume like fruit. The seeds are also rich in proteins and are edible. Dear student, this is globally important plant. This is soybean. Botanical name of the plant is Glycine max. So this is photograph of actual plant and these are the pods. Inside the pod, these are the seeds of soybean. The seeds are edible and rich in proteins. And the seeds are also used to extract oil which is edible. We are using soybean oil in our day-to-day life. Then this is tree of sesame. Botanical name of plant is Dalbergia siso. This is the photograph of actual tree. These are the leaves of the plant and these are the fruits of the plant in form of legume. Sesame wood is considered as very strong and durable and so it is valuable for making furniture. Dear students, you might have noticed that this is groundnut. Botanical name of the plant is Arachis hypogaea. This is actual photograph of the plant where we can see the roots of the plant with root nodules. Presence of root nodules is the characteristic feature of Fabaceae family. Inside these root nodules, nitrogen fixing bacteria are present and they are performing the function of nitrogen fixation. So this is symbiotic association between the plant and the bacteria. This is stem of the plant and these are the leaves. These are the flowers of the plant. After fertilization, fruits are produced here. So this is the mature plant of Arachis hypogaea which is uprooted, which shows the fruits in form of legume or the pod. Inside this legume or pod, groundnut seeds are present like this. The plant is cultivated for its seeds. Oil is also extracted from the seeds of groundnut and it is edible and a part of our daily diet. Then this is very beautiful plant of Butea monosperma. In English it is known as flame of forest and Marathi it is called as palas. It produces red colored flowers and in summer it look like that there is burning with red colored flame in the forest and so the name given is flame of forest. This is very beautiful plant of Butea monosperma. These are the leaves of the plant. Plates are produced from the leaves of Butea monosperma. So this is the plate prepared from the leaves of Butea monosperma. These plates they are used for the domestic purposes and eco-friendly. These are very beautiful flowers of Butea monosperma. These are used to prepare eco-friendly colors and dye. The gum excluded from the tree is also used in medicine. Then this plant is sun hemp. Botanical name of the plant is Crotalaria junctia. So this is the field in which sun hemp is cultivated. Sun hemp is also cultivated as green manure. Fibers are extracted from the plant. So this is fiber yielding plant. The fibers obtained they are used for making cords, ropes or bags. So it is economically important plant. Then this is another very beautiful tree. In Marathi it is called as Pangara, and botanical name of the plant is Erythrina indica. In English it is commonly called as coral tree. This is actual photograph of the plant. These are the leaves of the plant and these are very beautiful red colored flowers. The plant is cultivated as an avenue or roadside tree and the flowers are used to produce red dye. Next to that is the plant which produce need. The name of plant is Indigofera tinctoria. It is commonly known as indigo plant. This is actual photograph of the plant. These are the compound leaves. These are the blue colored flowers with raceme type of the inflorescence here. The plant is cultivated to produce blue dye, that is indigo, and so the name given to the plant is Indigofera. Then this is plant in Marathi what we called as guns. Botanical name of the plant is Abrus precoterius. In English it is commonly known as rosary. This is actual photograph of the plant. These are the flowers of the plant and these are the pods which produce seeds. The seeds are used as weight by jewelers and goldsmiths. The seeds are also used for poisoning cattle. The root of the plant can be used as substitute to licorice. Then this is currants plant in Marathi. Botanical name of the plant is Pongamia glabra or Pongamia pinnata. This is actual photograph of the plant. These are the leaves and these are the pods of the plant. Inside these pods, the seeds are present. The seeds are used to produce seed oil, commonly known as currant seed oil. It is very useful for the treatment of skin diseases. Next to that is Gliricidia. In Marathi it is called as Giripushp or Undirmari. Botanical name of the plant is Gliricidia maculata. As you can see here, this plant is cultivated as hedge or the living fence. These are very beautiful flowers of the plant. The plant is also used to kill the rat and so known as Undirmari. Then this is savory plant in Marathi. Botanical name is Sesbania aegyptiaca. This is actual photograph of the plant. These are the leaves and fruits of the plant. Leaves and seeds are also used in treatment of skin diseases. Then this is very beautiful flower. In Marathi it is called Gokarn. Botanical name of the plant is Clitoria ternatia. This is climber. It is cultivated for very beautiful flowers. Seeds are used as laxative. Then this plant is Mucuna pruriens. I think you might have seen this plant. It is hedge plant. These are the pods of the plant. The seeds are used as good tonic as well as aphrodisiac. This plant is very common in our Konkan region. Then last but not least, you might have noticed this plant. This is methi in Marathi, a very common vegetable. Botanical name of the plant is Trigonella phonium gracium, commonly called as fenugreek in English. This is actual plant cultivated in field. These are the leaves and flowers of the plant. The seeds of plant are edible and used as condiment. They are bitter in taste. The seeds are also given to diabetic patient to reduce sugar level in blood. This is very common vegetable. Dear students, with this we have completed some of the plants of economic importance of Fabaceae family. Thank you.